What's up, online shoppers? I just got the coolest audio soundbar for my son's monitor in his room so he can play Fortnite or whatever else he wants. Let's take a look at how cool this one is. Now this one here is the Soulion or Soulion, and they have the coolest brand right there. It is a lion listening to music. This is your slim size, strong sound soundbar. Here is a quick look at the specifics. You've got RGB rainbow lighting effects. You've got stereo surround sound. It's USB powered. You have a 3.5mm aux, and you also have a BT connection, which is Bluetooth. So lots of different ways to get the sound coming through this awesome little speaker. Now, as we take a look at what it's compatible with, you see it's going to work with PC, with PS4, with laptops, with your tablet, and with mobile. So you've got lots of flexibility with what you can use to pump sound through this beautiful soundbar. As well, quick little preview of what all your specifics are there as far as input, Bluetooth working distance. You've got a good 10-meter range, power sources, and all that jazz. As well, you also get to choose. This one here is gray, but it also comes in white as well to suit your decor. So let's open it up and see what's in. Here are the connectors, the 3.5mm aux and your USB, which is of course for power. And here is the awesome little speaker. Let's do a close-up and take a look. Now here is a close-up of the speaker, and you can see it's got this really gorgeous cloth material over top that's like a charcoal gray mix. You've got the brand name right at the front. Now if we roll it over to take a look at the underside, we've got these really nice little grippy rubber feet that of course level the soundbar and make it very sturdy on whatever surface that you put it on. Give it a good grip. On this side here of the soundbar, we have our controls right here. Of course, this button right here is going to be your light, and this is your power and also your Bluetooth connection, and this would be your volume. So let's get this plugged in so we can see what it looks like in action. When you power up the speaker, it defaults to aux mode. So now you can see we've got this really great RGB here on the side, and here is a close-up of our controls. So we've got the light here, and we can actually shut it off or allow it to cycle through a range of colors and a variety of different modes. It can flash, can travel, lots of variety for you to choose for. You can make it flash to your music if you so choose. Here is your manual volume control, and here is where you can choose to connect it to Bluetooth. Now this is going to work really great for your PC, for your PlayStation, for connecting to your phone or to your tablet for playing music. Due to copyright rules, I can't play any music for you here right now, but I will give you a demonstration later when my son is playing a game online. It has 4 dynamic lighting modes. It has a gradient mode where it transitions from one color to the next. It has a breathing mode where the colors just kind of breathe in and breathe out. It also has a rhythm mode, which is going to sync its beat with the beat of whatever music you're playing through here. And then it also has a fixed mode where you can choose the color and it just stays there. Now your USB port is your power, as I showed you earlier, and you can either press M to select aux mode or the 3.5mm jack for your sound input. It is a really compatible little speaker. It's going to work with PCs, laptops, tablets, smartphones, and PlayStation. To access Bluetooth mode, all you have to do is plug the port in for power and press the M on the side here to select Bluetooth. To connect, all you have to do is search the R50 on your smartphone, select it, and connect. Now if this has connected to something else prior, all that is required is holding down that little M button for 3 seconds to clear Bluetooth memory so that you can then connect fresh. Inside this speaker are 2 unique boosters and the components that are going to give you crisp sound for any of your audio needs. The compact design of this soundbar is fantastic. It's got this slightly tilted look to it. Size-wise, this is going to be compact enough to fit underneath your monitor, and you have manual control for your volume right here. This is an awesome little speaker. I can't wait to get it hooked up, and I'm pretty certain that this is going to be a family favorite at my house.